Yo, what's going on YouTube? This Lyndon RC215 and back at it with a new video, new unboxing of the new mini Kraton 3S BLX. Yes, finally got one. Been waiting for this for so long. ARRMA finally did it, came out with one. Yes, sir. So this is my first unboxing for 2026. So let's begin, baby. All right, here we go. Oh, as you can see, I already done opened it and everything. I couldn't wait, so I had to unopen it. But as you can see right here, you get that new power guard, the new feature ARRMA doing with the mini Kraton. When the power guard is not in, you get about 35 miles an hour, and when you put this in your mini Kraton, you get the 50 plus miles an hour. So just the power guard, controller. Let's see this thing. Let's see it. There you go, the controller. You got the little color coded to match your vehicle. I wish they would have did this with the Mojave Grom, but hey, got the orange button on here. It got the DSC. You got your steering trim. Your steerings. You still got the 50, the 75, and 100 throttle limit, and steering reverse. Yeah, same controller, just new color coded on there. That's the controller, as you can see. Here go your goodie bag. Let's see what you get in the goodies. So you get this little Allen wrench key. This is my first one because this is my first ARRMA purchase in a while. Come with a new tool, so I don't know. I keep it. I don't know. Whatever. What else? You get your little battery charger, IC2. I don't need it because I got the S155 charger, so I won't be using that. You come with batteries, instruction manual. You get a few tools, and you get another power guard if you lose the first one. Yeah, but this is just in the goodie bag. Put that on the side, and here we go. I already took the plastic off. Did that yesterday. The best part of unboxing is taking that plastic off, peeling it off the car. But yeah, man, here she go. As you can see, I got the blue, red, gray, and white. Yes, sir. Move this box. Sit her up on here. Yes, sir. But there she go, man. Mini Kraton. Yes, sir. Looking sweet. Yeah. You got the copperhead tubes on here. Nice plush tires. They feel good. The shocks color coded to match the vehicle. And the new skid plate underneath. That thing is nice. Blue. My favorite color. Woo. Yes, sir. Yeah, she looking good. All right, let's clipless body now. So what you do is you got a little button, latch button back here. Press it in, pull up, and you pull forward. And voila, it comes off. Here you go. They got a new latch system in here. So this is the included 2000 milliamp 30C 3S battery that comes with it. With the IC2. And I got a Gen Z's new battery that's coming with mine. is a 2200. I mean, it don't come with it, but I ordered it in Jim's Ace because they make their batteries specifically for the for armored vehicles, and they have a larger capacity battery, but it has an IC2 connector on there too. So I will be getting that. I'll be testing that battery out with this one whenever I get out and ride it. But yeah, this is the included battery. Put that latch back in. As you can see, here goes the new 2-in-1 system, and you can they got a new feature on here where you can put a separate receiver on here, so that's great if you want to connect it to another transmitter. But this is a 3000 kV motor, fan on both. Man, this thing is awesome. Loving this thing. Yes, sir. And it got a center diff in here now. Woo, this thing is going to be a mini beast. But this is all the inside of it, as you can see. Put this body back on. So when you're putting the body back on, you do it reverse. You slip it in, and you clip it back in. And that's all. Yeah, man. Oh, this joint is not staying on right. What's going on? All right, there we go. But yeah, that's just a little quick unboxing of the new mini Kraton that I got. As you can see, man, I can't wait to get out and ride this thing. Not ride it, drive it. I drive my RCs. But yeah, man. But this is about it. This is a little quick unboxing of the mini Kraton. I want to appreciate all my subscribers for staying with me, for watching, liking, subbing, continuing to support me. And on that note, we out. Peace.